In this video, I'm going to talk about RESTful routing and installing router. So I'm going to add a HTML form to our web application so that users can create new snippets here. So in Golang, there are literally hundreds of third-party routers for Go to pick from, and they all work a bit differently. They have different APIs, the different logic for matching routes, and different behavioral characteristics. Out of all third-party routers, I would like to try. There are probably two that that one is a PAT, another one is Gorilla Mux, and both have good documentation and decent test coverage. So this is the PAT, and another one is Gorilla Mux. So this is the Gorilla Mux and this is a PAT, and these both have good documentation and decent test coverage and work very well with the standard patterns for hundreds and middleware that we have used throughout our web application building. So coming to the PAT, is more focused and lightweight of two packages. It provides method-based routing and support for semantic URLs. And not much else, but it's a solid at what it does, has an elegant API, and the code itself is very clear and well written. A possible drawback is that a package isn't really maintained anymore. And second one is Gorilla Mux is much more full featured. In addition to method based routing and support for semantic URLs, you can use it to route based on scheme, host, and headers. Regular expression patterns in URL are also supported. The downside of the package is that it's a comparatively slow and memory hungry. And but for a database driven web application, like the impact over the lifetime of whole HTTP request is likely to be small. So for the moment, I'm going to use the PAT. So in order to install the package, as I already told you before, I'm going to use the go get command. I think it's already here. So I'm copying this command. Now I'm installing. Nice. So once we go there and we will check go.mod. Yes, here it is. There is a statement in required. Okay, there are alternative routers as well. So this is a bone, and this provides a similar functionality to PAT, but with extra convenience functions for registering handler functions and support for regular expressions based routes. A downside is that at the time of writing, the test coverage for the package is still incomplete. And one more is that HTTP router. HTTP router is famously fast Redux tree based router which supports method based routing and semantic URLs. However, it can't cope with conflicting patterns caused by wildcard parameters. You have to know the conflict patterns. Okay, so if you have a time, you can check the conflict patterns. And another one is HTTP tree mux. This is another Radix tree based router, but is designed so that it doesn't suffer from the conflict patterns issue that HTTP router has. The disadvantage is that it only allows us to register HTTP dot handler func objects, not HTTP dot handler objects. And a last one is that I know Kai is another popular option which uses a radix tree for pattern matching, and has a nice flexible API. Notably, it also includes a Kai middleware sub package containing a range of useful middleware. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. Thank you so much. In the next video, we are going to implementing the RESTful routes for the application. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.